Introducing the 2017 Toyota Sienna. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.